everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we will be making roasted honey gold baby potatoes. This recipe, guys, is so easy to make. We're gonna start off by boiling the potatoes. Then we're gonna pop the potatoes in the oven to get a crispy edges and tender centers. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, cut the potatoes in half. Then we're gonna transfer the potatoes to a saucepan and cover with cold water. Now we're gonna take this to the stove and bring to a boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the potatoes. Then transfer the potatoes into a medium bowl. Season with salt, black pepper, paprika. Drizzle with olive oil and give it a good toss. The potatoes are coated well with the seasoning and olive oil. Now we're gonna spread them out on a baking sheet, cut side down. Drizzle with melted butter and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. At 10 minutes mark, flip the potatoes. I just pulled these potatoes out of the oven, guys. They look amazing. Crispy on the outside and tender in the center. I hope you will try this recipe. This is a delicious side dish choice for a wide variety of meals. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and to like this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.